First thing we're gonna do, and this is so simple, we're gonna take some, we've let our cream cheese get to room temperature, and we've got some mixed cheeses here. We've got some Colby and Monterey Jack cheese right here, and you can use whatever you want. A lot of times you can find, I think it's listed under Mexican cheese for tacos and things like that. Just any kind of mixed cheese. So now we're just gonna take this and press it all together. Oh, can you wait for this?
No, I'm starving.
Now I'm gonna set my smoker, you can do 250, you can do 275. And you're gonna have to go for about 3 hours, I would say maximum. Start checking, when that bacon is crispy and done, you're good to go. And it's a little bit colder outside, so I'll probably start checking it at around 3 hours. So that was just a little handful of mixed cheese to go with that. Now here's how they end up looking. We'll show you how to do one of these because earlier you about lost your eyes and throat.
Yeah, I was coughing.
You're cutting so many jalapenos, but we're just basically gonna take that. Man, I'm telling you what, I'm seriously starving. I'm gonna clean that out.
And then I'll touch your eyes with my...
I'd rather you not. Now the great thing about this is after you cook them, you can cook them in the oven too, by the way. If you cook them in the oven on a higher temperature, 350, 375, again, just cook it till the bacon's done and you're good to go. Because, Now what happens is even if you get some really stout, really strong peppers,
These are.
that cooking process and the bacon and all that will kind of take the heat out of that.
I can't wait to eat them.
So that's all you do. Then you take your piece of bacon, wrap that up. Now this is uncured bacon, and just, there you go. Something a little different. I started looking on Barry's list of stuff that you can get from our seafood connection.
Right.
And I looked, and he said alligator. Now I love alligator. Obviously, you're not gonna get it in Kentucky.
Right.
But I said, let's get some of this alligator, and let's smoke some alligator.
That sounds good
And
too.
you said, how shall we do that? How about, let's put it on skewers. Now the way to get this thing started, now who doesn't love a skewer with some nice things on it?
Yes,
Summertime you
yes.
can grill these or whatever. But smoking alligator meat, are you kidding me?
I can't wait.
So I made a little brine, a simple brine. And here's what I used. Equal parts kosher salt and brown sugar. And this is gonna sound strange, but I poured, I don't know, probably a third of a cup of pickle juice in there.
Is that dill?
Along with that water. Yeah, dill.
Yum.
And then I just put the rest water in there, and I've dropped an onion in there too. All right, now we've cut these up and I've brined them overnight. So we're gonna take these out and let them dry out a little bit. So anyhow, this is so simple. Here's what we're gonna do. I love these. You've heard me talk about these. These are deli sliced jalapeno peppers, just pickled peppers. We're just gonna take a piece of alligator, put on a skewer
With pepper.
with a pepper and an onion.
Let's keep going.
And follow that process. We kind of do this with dove meat too.
Yeah, we do.
But alligator has got that nice texture. It's got a texture that's kind of like turtle if you've ever had turtle. And it really lends itself well to being smoked. It's kind of chewy.
I'm anxious to
It's
try
delicious,
this.
I'm telling you what. So now we're gonna wrap that in a piece of bacon. And here's what we've got. Oh my, let's put a little bit of Tony's on that. Pop that in. You have got some good eating. Wait till you taste those jalapenos.
I can't wait. Yeah. That's really good.
Get the smoked flavor. I'll eat a bunch of those.
Oh, the alligator's good.
Is that not delicious?
Wow.
That texture of that alligator on that smoker, that does
really
wonderful
good.
things to it, doesn't it?
Wow.
I could eat a ton of that.
It seems
That is
light.
absolutely delicious.
Seems really light.
Look at that. I mean, look at the texture of that. That may be the best smoked wild game I've had in a while.
That's really good.
In the smoker, I put on around 250 and I went for 3 hours. So get you some alligator, put it on your new smoker that you got for Christmas, or one that you've had for 100 years.